Hi, my name is Dr. Kindy Newmai and I am a consultant dermatologist at Olive Christian Hospital and Research Center at Dimapur, Nagaland. Today I am here to share some information on how to care for your hair. When it comes to hair care, you'll find tons of advice. Your mother may advise you to oil your hair, while your hairdresser will recommend the latest treatments. It may be Moroccan hair oil, or hair strengthening or rebonding treatments. But before you pick your choice of treatment, there are some basic things you need to know. The first step in your hair care, which is often the most undermined, is your diet. In your diet, there are two important things to consider: your iron and protein sources. Try and include iron-rich foods in your diet such as green leafy vegetables, fish, cereal, soy, chickpeas, and beans. Try to include complete proteins which are rich in amino acids such as cheese, milk, soy, and yogurt. A good diet will not only boost your health and confidence but also improve your hair care. Here are a few do's and don'ts for healthy hair care. A lot of us wear sunscreen during the day to protect our skin from sun damage. But what we often forget is to also protect our hair. Do you know that hair also gets damaged due to sun? A good idea is to wear hats, caps, or use parasols and umbrellas to protect our hair. Some of us also swim often in chlorinated pools. A good habit is to use a bathing cap during swimming or rinsing our hair immediately after our swim. Regular trimming of your hair ends will prevent split ends and keep it healthy. A key essential to good hair care is figuring out how often to wash your hair. Over-shampooing your hair will increase dryness and brittleness. A good habit is to wash your hair about twice a week if you have normal hair. If you have oily hair, you can wash your hair on alternate days or every other day. Over-shampooing will dry out your hair and increase brittleness and dryness. Avoid combing your hair or brushing it while your hair is still wet. Wet hair strands can stretch and expand, which may lead to breakage of the hair cuticle. Gentle hair care also means drying your hair gently without using a blow dryer. When you towel dry your hair, be careful not to rub your hair too vigorously, as this will also cause breakage to your hair cuticle. If you are in the habit of styling your hair, try to avoid styling your hair with high-intensity heat devices such as flat irons or blow dryers. These may cause hair brittleness, which may lead to breakage and frizzy hair. Try to also avoid hairstyles that cause tension on your scalp. These hairstyles may be tight braids, high and tight ponytails, or use of tight accessories on your scalp. What happens is, because of too much tension, your hair starts to fall, and this leads to a condition called traction alopecia. Here are a few tips on how to maintain healthy hair. If you are the type who likes to oil their hair, my suggestion would be to reduce your hair oiling to once a week. If you are someone who suffers from dandruff, my suggestion is to avoid oiling your hair, as dandruff-causing yeast feeds off saturated fatty acids in the lipids and tends to grow in their presence. If you are also in the habit of using a lot of hair products like gels or spray, inadequate cleansing of your hair leads to product buildup on your scalp, which may lead to increased greasiness, flakiness, and itching. It may also lead to increased hair loss. When you shop for shampoos, try to look one from a reputed brand and one that preferably does not contain sulfates or strong detergents. When you shampoo your hair, it is a good idea to focus the lather on your scalp rather than on your hair strands. When you wash your shampoo away, the lather will cleanse your hair strands as it gets rinsed anyway. Try to condition the ends of your hair instead of focusing the conditioner on your root to prevent heaviness of your hair. I have already talked previously on how the right diet will affect your hair care in a positive manner. You may also consider adding nutritional supplements to your diet, such as omega-3s, biotin, and zinc. Studies have shown that such supplements increase hair growth and elongate the hair follicle. Please remember that hair loss to about 100 to 150 hair strands in a day is absolutely normal. If you continue to suffer from excessive hair fall despite these dietary and lifestyle modifications, it may be time for you to consult with a certified dermatologist in your area. Thank you.